Shannon Wasserfall was finally put to rest in Walvis Bay on Saturday. The family was joined by hundreds of mourners but found it hard to accept her tragic death. Various speakers appealed to the nation to learn from the tragedy and become a praying nation.
Ek weet die pyn wat u deurgaan, maar u dogter moes die prys betaal sodat die jeug gered kan word. U dogter moet die prys betaal sodat ons kan biddende moeders begin word. U dogter moet die prys betaal sodat ons as ouers, as moeders nie moet kompeteer met die jeug oor wie se rok is die kortste en wie drink die dronkste nie. Die dogter moet sterwe sodat ek en u kan begin bid. Sodat ons kan bid vir die jeug, want ons jeug het verdwaal.
A life was cut short. A life of a young Namibian woman who follows a long list of women and young women before her whose lives were cut short due to violence. Shannon carried the dreams and the hopes of not only her parents, her son, her brothers and sisters, her friends, but she carried the hopes of all Namibians. That is why many stood up for her. They stood up for her memory, and that she is not the only one in the country that is being mourned and that was stood up for. But every day, I pray that she would be the last.
The funeral service was held at the Good Shepherd Roman Catholic Church at Kwesopmund.
Her should reflect the beautiful spirit that she is, an incredible life which we are celebrating today. Today, I also stand before you as a parent, as Daliki's godfather, and not as a governor. And I want to appeal to each and everyone here today. Yes, I'm begging as a parent that we take a very deep look at our families and at ourselves so that we truly see the gift of love, of family, and of community, so that we treasure it with everything that we are and have. Daliki's death will hang over Walvis Bay in our hearts like a dark cloud for years to come. Her memory deserves us to be better as a community, as families, and as individuals.
For us, it has been terrible 6 months of pain. Imagine yourself asking yourself, where is my daughter? Where is the mother to this lovely young boy who's sitting here? All those questions. And on the same track, I want to add, as the Wasserfall and the Matthew family, I think Deacon Damasep narrated it very clearly to you. We can't be angry. I personally, I feel so bad over this whole issue. People might come out and say different things and say, what happened and what happened? Why do the parents not come and say what and what? But us personally, whoever was responsible for the demise of our daughter, our mother, our niece, cousin, you name it, you are forgiven. You are forgiven. Unfortunately, the law has to take its course. But from our side, you are forgiven.
Although they have prayed for Shannon's death to be a lesson to those who abuse and kill women, it is still a sad reality that in Namibia, women fall victim to such acts.